Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Attorney General candidates Gary Gumatautau, Doug Moreland, and Levin Camacho one by one discussing what they would do if elected as Guam's next AG. One issue, how they would handle corruption in Gov Guam.
So I don't think that it's up to the AG to just wait for the report to come. Sometimes the AG's got to reach out and make that happen. And then once they get the information, they've got to decide what to do with it.
Corruption should be prosecuted, but I also think that the AG should play a role in preventing corruption to begin with.
The Government Corruption Division is coming back, but we have other priorities as well.
But the question that grabbed the attention of the audience at the forum, how they would respond to the Legislative Public Safety Oversight Chair's request for the AG to give an update to the investigation regarding Lieutenant Governor Tenorio's gun incident in Tumon.
Grab a gun, go to jail. And I mean it. Okay, this is not a game. We're talking about felonies here. We're talking about people that could be hurt. 3 times he grabbed that gun. And 3 times he waved it around. And 3 times the officer chased him down to get the gun. The gun was loaded. How do we know this? You know, Ray was on television talking about it. He gave the information to the reporter. He admitted it. Now, I love Ray. I know Ray personally. I was very close to his mother. I really do like Ray. I just saw him on Saturday. And it would pain me to have to be the one to prosecute him for this. That's why I would hope that the current AG would do the job.
No one is above the law, and everyone wants to have faith that the system is going to work, no matter if it's you or me who's charged with a crime or committed a crime or is under investigation. But I think the Office of the Attorney General Barrett Anderson is doing the right thing. As prosecutors, you can't comment on cases that are ongoing or under investigation. I know that the people want to know what the status is, and the Attorney General can make those types of remarks. But in terms of what's going to happen, it has to be sequential. And ethically, that's the way it should happen, because everyone's entitled to a fair trial. We may not agree with it, but that's the way the system is designed.
I do not believe that it is responsible to say anything about what's going on until you're sitting in the chair, like our chief prosecutor is there. And I would, 2 issues at stake. One, you're presumed innocent until proven guilty, even up till the time that that jury goes out and deliberates. Ray is innocent until proven guilty. And I would disagree with Levin. There's no ethical rule that outright prohibits the prosecutor from talking. There are rules, but not one that says you can't talk about it.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.